to our school principal, Ma'am Itsura C. Batingal, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, as we complete our junior high school, I am very honored and privileged to be given a chance to welcome you all to our moving up ceremony, school year 2023-2024. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the parents and families who are here, who tirelessly show their support as we struggle through our studies. We wouldn't reach this far without your help. Thank you so much to all our mama and papa, to all the teachers who endured in guiding us through our learning journey. We owe you so much. Junior high school has been a great adventure which train us for the future. To all my batchmates, I would like to say, congratulations! We made it this far. May the years to come will be generous to all of us. May the Lord Jesus Christ will bless and keep us. Thank you so much and welcome.